Hi, in this video I will tell you about the new NFT Marketplace Tabi and show you step-by-step guide how you can get airdrop from this project. Tabi is a NFT marketplace on the Binance Smart Chain that aims to connect Web 2 with Web 3 through gameplay and NFT. The project has almost 425,000 followers on Twitter, among which there are a lot of funds, influencers, investors and serious people from the cryptocurrency world. Also, they confirmed officially in their Twitter post about Airdrop Tabi. The project has $10 million invested from funds like Animoca Brands, Binance Labs, Draper Dragon, Hashkey Capital, Infinity Crypto Ventures, and Yubi Capital. So doing this activity is 100% necessary. In terms of time, it takes no more than 3 minutes. And I advise to make as many accounts as possible for more profit. All the links you need from this video will be in my channel on Telegram, so go subscribe and start doing it. Also, there I publish a lot of other activities on which you can earn cryptocurrency. Subscribe so you don't miss anything and earn more. Well, let's start the activities. Go to the site of the marketplace, link in my Telegram channel, and connect your wallet. Then proceed to the first quest. Here we need to connect the wallet again. The next step is to connect your Discord account. Now you need to join the Discord channel of the project and press verify. Next, you need to connect your Twitter account. You also need to subscribe to the project's Twitter account and press verify. And the last step is to retweet and also click verify. After that, we will be able to claim our first NFT chest. Confirm the transaction in the wallet, the commission of the network Binance Smart Chain 15 cents in BNB. Go to the next task. Here you need to connect your Reddit account to the site. If you do not have it, then create it is not hard, and will take half a minute using email. Connect and collect NFT Reddit Creed and the Book of Spells, commission also 15 cents per BNB. There is still one more task in which you need to invite your friends. Here will be your referral link that you can share with friends. The more you invite your friends, the more you earn chests with airdrop. At this stage the activity is over. Invite friends and stay tuned for announcements of the project. Thanks for watching, like this video and subscribe to the channel.